He misses him, how much we really do need him, and I think that kind of sums up today, doesn't it?
That's high praise, and that's from Trent, from a young lad to understand the game and appreciate his teammate, what he does. That shows a lot of maturity, because he does just knit it all together, and it was great because we looked at it all week, didn't we, on the analysis, and in the second, when he come on, it happened, didn't he? He changed it up. See here, he's picking the ball up, he's coming here. He's defensively, he's very unselfish, he's getting on the Newcastle's, and then as he wins it, the way to pass is something else. You know, Mane's in the right place. As soon as the important thing is, as soon as he gets on and he gets turned, Mane and Salah just get on their bike and they're running. Here, the vision, he knows the runners, and like you said, Trent appreciates the fact that when he gets the ball, he can make runs. So same as Robertson, that flicks something else. I mean, we're off our feet in the studio after time here. Look, this is lovely. This is like, oh, over his head. It's just beautiful, JJ, isn't it?
I think a lot of the things you're seeing him do here, they are absolutely sublime and they're beautiful, but over the years he's earned this respect, and he's earned the amount of space that he creates by defenders thinking they can get tight like that and him going, no, you're nowhere near me and I'm in behind you.
Now the tongue is training. He's done his training for
Okay, we go now. Okay. Up, one.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.